The Bermuda Triangle, often called the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where numerous ships, aircraft, and people are said to have mysteriously vanished. While its exact boundaries are not universally agreed upon, the area is generally considered to form a triangular shape with points near Miami, Florida, Bermuda, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. It spans approximately 500,000 square miles of ocean. The region has heavy maritime and air traffic as it connects several major shipping and flight routes. When Christopher Columbus sailed through the area on his first voyage to the New World, he reported that a great flame of fire, probably a meteor, crashed into the sea one night, and that a strange light appeared in the distance a few weeks later. He also wrote about erratic compass readings, perhaps because at that time a sliver of the Bermuda Triangle was one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north lined up. The Bermuda Triangle became well known in the mid-20th century when reports surfaced of strange disappearances, often without a trace. An especially infamous tragedy occurred in March 1918 when the USS Cyclops, a 542-foot-long Navy cargo ship with over 300 men and 10,000 tons of manganese ore on board, sank somewhere between Barbados and the Chesapeake Bay. The Cyclops never sent out an SOS distress call despite being equipped to do so, and an extensive search found no wreckage. Only God and the sea know what happened to the great ship, U.S. President Woodrow Wilson later said. In 1941, two of the Cyclops' sister ships similarly vanished without a trace along nearly the same route. A pattern allegedly began forming in which vessels traversing the Bermuda Triangle would either disappear or be found abandoned. Then, in December 1945, 5 Navy bombers carrying 14 men took off from a Fort Lauderdale, Florida airfield in order to conduct practice bombing runs over some nearby shoals. But with his compasses apparently malfunctioning, the leader of the mission, known as Flight 19, got severely lost. All 5 planes flew aimlessly until they ran low on fuel and were forced to ditch at sea. That same day, a rescue plane and its 13-man crew also disappeared. After a massive weeks-long search failed to turn up any evidence, the official Navy report declared that it was as if they had flown to Mars. There are some theories and explanations about the Bermuda Triangle. The region is prone to hurricanes, powerful storms, and sudden changes in weather, which could contribute to disappearances. Large deposits of methane gas on the ocean floor could potentially cause the water density to decrease, leading to sinking vessels. The magnetic variation in this area may interfere with compass readings, leading to navigational errors. Waves over 100 feet high can occur and could potentially swamp ships. Although speculative, some believe the Bermuda Triangle may involve extraterrestrial phenomena or unknown forces. The U.S. Coast Guard and other agencies argue that the Bermuda Triangle does not see a significantly higher number of incidents than other heavily traveled parts of the world. Many scientists view the mystery as exaggerated or a result of sensationalism. In summary, while the Bermuda Triangle continues to intrigue and attract theories about the unexplained, most experts suggest that natural explanations account for incidents in this area.